How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Sam Care here. Today we're going to replace the string on a Ryobi Trimmer 18-volt lithium trimmer, weed whacker, weed eater, whatever you call it. We're gonna replace the string. I hear something. It's the American flag. God bless America. So first things first, I would recommend taking out the battery just so that you don't actually push the button and it cuts off your finger. And then after that, we got these two little pinchers. Here, you got one pincher right here, and you got a pincher right here. And you push down them simultaneously, and you're kind of pushing out. You don't necessarily have to pull that off, you just push that out. And out pops this. Don't want to lose that. Make sure to put that next to the battery because we don't want to lose either of them. And then you have this guy right here. This is your spool, it's your old spool. Now, if you were to take string and then put this on this old spool, you are capable of doing that. I'm not going to go into detail on how to do that. I guess you can watch my other video. A lot of these spools are very similar. There's a little insert that you put in and then you wrap it around. Instead, we got the easy route. Got the 5-pack. How much was this?
$29.
$29. You could probably get it for $25 if you get on Amazon. The link will be in the description below. Let's go. So, comes with this here. It's tied in there. What you want to do is more than likely take this thing off. Now, this is, I believe, the most important, is that you don't want it to unspool because then you're gonna have to wind it all back up. It's insurance, okay? Put that finger there for insurance purposes. Daddy always said, you get your insurance. Now, first thing you're going to do is you're gonna take this, again, make sure you got that insurance, and you're gonna send this through that hole here. You take this, you pull it through like that. I'd say once you get it through that hole there, have two fingers on it, thumb. Well, your thumb ain't a finger, is it?
No.
No. So you take your thumb and one of your index fingers or your middle finger, and you slide it in there just like that. You can just pull this right here and keep that held, and it will stay in there. As long as you're not throwing it out that way, you also want to have it laid down this way. Great. That's the hard part. Then you're going to take this cap, a lot of dexterity here, isn't it? Take that cap and you're going to press that right back in there. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial on how to change out your string. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment whether or not you like this. I've got a little bit of corals with it, and I'm gonna make a video about that. That video is right there if you want to check that out. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.